Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to sort A to Z in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to sort A to Z in a Google Sheets column or the whole spreadsheet, here's how to do it. So we have this project management sheet, and in this project management sheet we have a list of US states with population, and as you can see currently it's sorted by population. But what if you want to sort this by state? So you have multiple options. The first one is if you have a column and you don't have a column header, then the easiest way is to click on the column header and you're gonna see sort sheet A to Z. And in this case, as you can see, the states are now sorted from Alabama to Wyoming. But the problem is that the header state was also added into the list and we don't want to do that. So if you also have a header name, the easiest way to do it is to select the cells or the table you want to sort, then click on data and click on create a filter. In this case, this will be a filtered table, and then Google Sheets will know that these are the table headers, so it won't sort this A to Z. So what you have to do is click on the filter icon and you're going to be able to click on sort A to Z, and as you can see now the state header hasn't been added to the state list, but it has sorted nicely from A to Z all the US states. Of course you can use this functionality to sort numbers, so if you want to sort from the highest to the lowest, use sort Z to A. If you want the lowest from the highest, you can use sort A to Z. But let's go back to the states option. So I think this is the best way to use the sort A to Z feature in Google Sheets. But as I mentioned, you can also use this column option if you do not have column headers. So notice I can sort A to Z in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.